everyone! Today, we're diving into 10 amazing kitchen tools that not only make meal preparation a breeze, but also add a touch of style to your kitchen. These must-haves are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking game while keeping their kitchen organized and beautiful. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. First up, we have the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. With 1100 watts of power, this blender tackles everything from smoothies to sauces effortlessly. Its sleek design and powerful motor make it a must-have for quick, hassle-free prep and a great addition to your countertop. Next is the COSORI Compact Air Fryer. This space-saving gadget is perfect for crisping up snacks, reheating leftovers, or making healthier versions of your favorite fried dishes. With its modern design and user-friendly features, it's both functional and stylish. For ultimate versatility, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a game-changer. This multifunctional appliance can bake, broil, toast, and air fry all in one. Its polished finish and compact design make it perfect for any kitchen, whether you're saving space or looking to streamline your appliances. The vegetable chopper and spiralizer is a meal prep lifesaver. With multiple attachments, it lets you chop, dice, and spiralize in seconds. Not only does it save time, but its compact size also makes it easy to store, keeping your kitchen looking neat and organized. For coffee lovers, the Keurig K-Elite coffee maker is a must-have. With customizable temperature and brew settings, this sleek machine delivers the perfect cup every time. Its brushed metal finish adds a modern, sophisticated touch to your coffee station. Blend with ease using the KitchenAid Variable Speed Hand Blender. From soups to sauces, this corded blender is versatile, powerful, and designed for comfort. Its timeless design and reliable performance make it a staple for any home cook. Stay organized with Rubbermaid Brilliance storage containers. These clear, BPA-free containers are perfect for storing ingredients, leftovers, or snacks. Their airtight seal keeps food fresh, while the crystal-clear design adds a polished look to your pantry or fridge. The YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer is perfect for cooking with precision. Use it to evenly coat your pans, dress salads, or baste roasts. Its sleek, ergonomic design adds a professional feel to your kitchen tools, while its practicality makes it indispensable for everyday cooking. For perfectly cooked meals, the ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer is your go-to tool. This waterproof thermometer provides accurate, fast readings, ensuring your meats and dishes are cooked to perfection. Its sleek design makes it easy to use and store. Finally, for the coffee connoisseurs, the BREW Conical Burr coffee grinder is a must. This grinder ensures consistent grounds for the perfect cup of coffee every time. Its modern design and high-quality performance make it a standout addition to your kitchen. And there you have it, 10 incredible kitchen tools that simplify meal prep and elevate your kitchen's aesthetics. Let us know in the comments which product you're most excited to add to your collection, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to shop these must-haves. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!